future educator, I'm learning that teaching is not just about having a good lesson plan. It is about being ready when things do not go as expected. In many classrooms, technology is helpful, but it is not always reliable. Power interruption happen, internet connection fail, and sometimes the lesson we prepared so well cannot be used at all. When this happens, a teacher must decide to stop or to adjust. This is why having a plan B is important. Plan B does not mean the first plan was weak. It means the teacher is prepared to continue learning no matter the situation. Instead of panicking, the teacher adapts and keeps the class moving forward. A 21st century teacher knows that learning does not only depend on screen and devices. When technology fails, learning can still happen through discussion, sharing ideas, and connecting lessons to real life. These moments often create deeper understanding and connections. More than finishing a lesson, Plan B teaches students how to face challenges. It shows them that problems are not reason to give up but chances to think and act differently. As a future educator, I realized that my role is not only to teach lesson but to show resilience. Because when Plan A fails, a real teacher continues, and sometimes Plan B becomes the most meaningful lesson of all.